In this tutorial, we'll solve the question number 7, variant 3, June 2023. Find the number of different arrangements of 10 letters in the word Casablanca in which the two C's are not together. Let's first count how many letters we have, especially for the repeated part. We have two C's. We have two C's. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 A's, 4 A's. And we have 4 different letters, which is S, B, S, B, L, and N. Okay, let's start now. Find the number of different arrangements of the 10 letters in the word Casablanca in which the two C's are not together. C's not together. Let's first find the restriction, then without restriction, then find the C's together, then subtract. Without restriction, it's 10 factorial, 10 factorial, divided by 2 repeated for C's and 4 repeated for A's. This is the first part, minus, we remove in case of C's together. So C is a one member. So how many do we have? It's 9. But we have here repeated, which is 4 factorial. Then calculate each case, then subtract, or you can find your answer directly as a total. For the first case, it's 75600 minus 15120, and the final answer 60480. Now, for the second part. Find the number of different arrangements of the 10 letters in the word Casablanca, which have an A at the beginning and A at the end, and exactly 3 letters between 2 C's. How to deal with this one? Let's firstly, again, how many C's do we have? It's 2. How many A's? There are 2. And how many different letters? 4 letters, which is S, B, L, and N. Sorry, we have 4 A's. How? 4 A's. Now, it's written start at the beginning is A and end with A. What about in between? There are 2 left. There are two C's left, and there are 4 different letters. At the beginning, at the end, exactly 3 letters between 2 C's. Now, exactly 2 letters between C's. Let's say we have C here, C, then 1, 2, 3, then C. How many left? Because we have here now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 3 left. 1, 2, 3. Let's now shift. Still A's. Let's count how many cases we'll find. If we need more, we'll write. If we shift, keep a card here, then shift C, still in between 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then C, then 2 left. If we write here 2 letters, then 1 C, 1, 2, 3, then C, then 1 letter. 1, 2, 3, then C, then 1, 2, 3, then C. How many letters in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 left. So we have how many cases? It's 4 cases, 4 times. Now, how many letters here? We have to rearrange, skip C's and A's. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 factorial. But these 6 included 2 letters A repeated. So don't forget to divide it by 2 times the 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, because we have 2 letters are repeated. This is the answer of part B. If you calculate it, you will get 1, 4, 4, and 0. C. 5 letters are selected from the same 10 letters. Let's again write. We have 2 C's and we have 4 A's and we have 4 different letters, which is S, B, L, and N. Now, we'll select a 5 letters because we have repeated letters. Try to split it into cases like this, then find the answer of each case, then add all together. Find the number of different selection in which the 5 letters included at least 2 A's, at least 2 A's, at least 2 A's, and at most 1 C. At most 1 C. We can take 1 or we can take 0. Let's start with 0. At most 1. If we take 0 from C, at least 2. How many left to form the group of 5? There are 3 left. We'll take it from these 4. If we have here 0 C's, we can increase the number because it's written at least 2. So if it is 3, how many left here? 2. If we write 0 and take the 4 A's, how many left? It's 1. Now we'll increase the number of C's because we can take, if we write here 0, the maximum value of A are 4. So now we'll increase number of C's. If we take here 1, it's written at least 2. How many left to complete the 5? There are 2. If we take 1, increase the number here to be 3. 1 plus 3, 4. How many left is 1? If we take here 1 and the 3 will be 4, so how many left is 0? Is it possible to increase the number of C's? No, it's written at most 1 C's. Now try to find all the cases. But don't try to say 2C0, 4C2. No, it's not like this because are same. So already take 0 C's. We'll take 2 from A's, but we'll select from these 4, 3. So we'll write 4C3 only. The next case, done for C's, done for 3 to complete the group, it's 4C2. Done for 0, but this also done. Don't try to write it. So 4C1, 4C1. 2C done, 1 done, 2 left, so 4C2. Don't try again to select from repeated. So 1 from C, 3 from A. How many left to complete your group? It's 1, so 4C1. Same, 1 done, 4 done. How many needed? 4C0. Now we'll find the answer. How many 4C3s do we have? We have only 1, so 4C3 plus 4C2, 4C2, but there are how many cases 4C2? There are 2. Plus 4C1, how many cases 4C1? There are 2. Then 4C0, collect the full answer for all. You can find the value of each case, then add all together. You will find how many cases. You will get 25 cases.